Hi friends, Angela here. Today I'm going to give you a really quick little update on the peperomias that I'm propagating because there are roots forming and I'm just really excited to show you guys. You're not even going to see me because I just got out of the shower and my hair is still like super not cute. So anyways, I'm really excited. Now I did lose a few leaves. And I'm not quite sure why. They just got like too watered down. But anyways, I just pulled them out and threw them away. But I wanted to show you guys. Let's see if I can even zoom in on it. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. There's 3 little roots on this one. This is the, oh, I forget. It's the dark, like purple leafed one. I'm so terrible today. It just escaped my mind. It'll come back to me. And here's another one. The same dark purple. And the lighting in here is not great right now. But there's 3 roots coming in on this guy. I'll stick him over here with this other one so you can see them. And then here are the 2 Peperomia frost that still survived. These roots are so long. There's a couple there that are like strung together. And then that one's the longest one. And then this guy here, this leaf is very damaged. Oh, bear with me. So that's why I cut him. But look, there's like the tiniest sliver of a root forming. So I think we're gonna make it. No, it's not gonna zoom in. Anyways, I think this guy will finally get some roots for us. And then, as you can see, I have a couple of my Ruby Cascade. Here's my like main plant. She's so gorgeous. This is also a Peperomia Ruby Cascade. It's so long, and it's probably too light to see, but like the back side of the leaves are like a really pretty red there, the ruby. Anyways, one of them broke off last week. Let's see if I can even find it here. There's like 4 of them in here. 3, I can count. Anyways, I'll just pull them out. That one doesn't have one. This is the one. Okay. Thanks guys for hanging in there. See if I can zoom. There we go. Okay, right? See that second nodule? It's so tiny and faint. There you go. On the left side of that, well, I guess it's the first nodule. So on the left side of the screen, there's a tiny little root forming. So anyways, today when I was doing breakfast dishes, ooh, look, there's algae growing down there. Don't worry, I'll wash it out. I cut off a couple more and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just cut them off and then I took out a couple leaves, like the couple bottom leaves, because that's where the roots are going to form. And stuck them in water. So in another week or so, they should have the very beginnings of some roots. And then I can share these plants with someone once I get them like nice and rooted. Anyways, this is just a couple minute video. I just wanted to show you guys. I was so excited that they showed, and I know out there on, you know, out in the video land, everyone tells you how to propagate, but they don't actually like prove always that they work. And so I think it's just so great for you to see how easy it was to literally cut these off the mother plant and then, you know, grow roots. It's not going to zoom again. But yeah, so there we go. So I thought it was great just to show you guys like in the middle here how it actually works. Like I said, this has been not even 2 weeks, I think. Since I cut these, and so once the roots are at least an inch long, I'll take them out and I'll make another video and show you guys how I plant them. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys that quick little update. I hope you all are doing great and you are enjoying this beautiful weather. It's like practically spring here outside. I'm really excited. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day and we will see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.